Good evening, Vicky Sons and Brothers Corporation. This is my brother William. This is the engine DA63 K6A. K6A. There was a problem of the. What was the problem, boss?
Block damage.
There was a block damage, and they are trying to fix. They have opened one engine from the Japan wagon R. They are trying to fix from it, but it's very big work. But I appreciate. You can see they're fixing everything. This is William guy. See, it's very hard to. This is the team of the William. Very nice people. What are you doing, brother?
I'm getting the stud.
Stud for what? Actually, they are the new people, so there's a problem of the English. This is very nice man, very hard worker. Where this one? Meet this guy. Hello, uncle. How are you?
Okay, I'm fine.
Fine, very good. So welcome in the mechanical life, huh? I hope you will be a good mechanic after 3 years, huh?
10 years from now.
3 years from now, no?
10.
Yeah. It's very hard to assemble the units because you see, it's not easy. You see, what this called, brother? Crankshaft. They are fixing the bolt in the crankshaft. Crankshaft. Very handsome. This is the model of this is import from Japan, the A63 model. Okay, this is the engine place. This is the location. They put like this, they make the like this. I will show you the all review. Sometimes units come from Japan are very bad and sometimes very good. But I never see any good unit coming from Japan. I always have problem. I don't know what's the problem with this. But I have very good team, William Tigers. They are very famous here. They are always have 5 or 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, there 2 people are defaulters. I will keep their name secret. Hello, boss. What are you doing? Nagunsaka. Limpio. You see, it's every parts are cleaning.
Okay kayo.
Okay, kayo. This is the boss, William.
Okay kayo.
This look like girl, but he's a boy, huh? Very adjustable man. Until now, he's very good with me.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Yeah. 660 cc is engine power. This is all extra parts taken from the other engines to fix this problem. I'm just making this video for because I was this one, you see. But thanks God, until now the units which is fixed by the William is I have no any complaint until now. I hope so in future also, because it's very they cleaning the parts, every parts with the gasoline and engine oil, like they are putting and adjusting everything. You see, is your hard work is never waste. If you want to become millionaire, you can learn from Mr. William.
Great, good.
He is the only person who earned in COVID.
What is from COVID?
COVID, yeah. How you feel, brother, to work with us? Good?
Good.
Very good. This is almost 10 p.m. but they are still working. See the parts which will be fixed. This is the transmission of this unit. Bus. Asa transmission, this one. This is the transmission. The D63. What was the damage by that one?
That one.
Huh?
All.
That parts, that tunnel. This was the damaged parts in this engine. Crankshaft, everything was damaged which you are looking. These are the damaged parts. So now they are fixing. This is the transmission. And now after that one they will fix here. Next time I will show you how they open engine, how they fix. This is only idea. Please give me your comments after watching this video. Thank you very much and God bless you all. And if you have any question about the mechanical, you can ask from my brother William. He's always with me. Okay, you can text me in the comments. Thank you very much. Take care. Good night. I hope this is the most handsome. This piston, the all parts. Sige. Thank you, sir. Good night. Bye bye. Amping.